So hi guys, just quick tip time really. I've been cleaning up the front of this is a WaveTech 5 megahertz signal sweep generator, and I've just been cleaning up the front panel, and of course I've taken all the knobs off to do that, and I've wiped it down with isopropyl alcohol, and this is a 70% volume mix. I buy pure alcohol and then I just mix it down to 70% myself. I just find it dries a little bit slower, gives me a little bit more time, and doesn't tend to take off the labels quite so much as using it raw. But that's not what this tip is about. This tip is about the BNC connectors. So you've got a grubby front panel, and almost certainly the BNC connectors are going to be equally grubby. So how do I clean them? Well, again, I'll use some isopropyl alcohol on the outside and just within the rim down here. So, and I'll just do that on a cloth. The tricky bit comes with the actual pin itself. So often, for general purpose things, I will switch to this, which is a switch clean and lubricant. So this is a Silversol Super 10. And I use this quite a lot for just spraying inside switches and turning them around just to try and get them to be a lot cleaner. If I'm using a fairly high-end piece of equipment, then I'll just use the alcohol. For general purpose though, I will use this lubricant, and then I use one of these. Okay, so the hole in the front is, I don't know what it is, let's say 1.3 millimeters, something like this. And this is a cleaning brush that will fit inside it. So having put my cleaning solution in, if I'm using alcohol, I can do that with a tiny little syringe, or I can just dip this within it. I then literally just brush inside that contact a few times, turn the thing, and that's it. Nice clean contact. What is this brush? This is a brush set that you can get for cleaning the nozzles on very small artist airbrushes. So I think this one here is designed for cleaning a 0.5 millimeter nozzle. It might be a 0.8 millimeter, but it's something along those lines. So you should be able to get these on Amazon and eBay and all that sort of place. When you get them, you may notice that the tip doesn't have any bristles. Yeah, just trim that off to get the bristles to go to the end, because sockets like this usually have limited depth. So you want the brush to go right to the end of that socket. And of course, having gone to the trouble of cleaning it all, you'll then want to put some sort of cap on there to keep it clean in the future. And you know, you can buy those, or you could salvage them, or you could 3D print them, of course. If you do, don't make it so tight that it's almost impossible to get off. But beyond that, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's about it. End of tip. So I hope that helped. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, go ahead, subscribe. Comments down below. See you later.